We're in the Chaquamegon or Chaquamegon, maybe, I don't know, Nicolet National Forest again for a one-night trip. Gonna be camping by a river. I'm with Michelle. We're gonna be sleeping in the hammocks, eating some food for eating. We got some other objectives that we want to get done while we're out here. Let's go. Pretty cool. All right, we got 3 and 1 secret objective for this trip. Number 1 is to find a killer campsite by the river. We may have already done that, but we're gonna do some scouting and see if there's a better spot, but I'm pretty sure this is it. Number 2 is to make the world's best grilled cheese. Simple. Number 3 is to not freeze overnight, which should be really easy actually because it's warm today. Right now it's like above 40 and it should be only down to like 27 tonight. So we could still freeze, so a valid objective. There's one more secret one too that we might get to do tomorrow depending on, I don't know, we just might do it. Okay, let's make it happen. So we definitely found our spot and it is killer. It is killer. The first place that we walked into, so that's fortunate. So that's objective number 1, completed.
Yeah, unbelievable. Okay.
We're gonna get set up, hammocks, fire, that's the next steps. Let's go. I'm gonna give you the tour. Come with me.
Here's me.
Should be a pretty good, should be a pretty cool spot to wake up. It's been a lot tougher to find firewood than I expected. We had a ton of snow and then we got a bunch of rain. So a lot of the wood is kind of wet. We're finding some stuff that's sitting up on top of the ground and it seems to be dry inside, but fire could be tough. So we'll see. Wow, look at the size of this rock.
Look at this tree pulled up. And it fell over. Holy cow. I don't know how much that weighs, but it's heavy.
All right, it is time for Jesse's very educational, very informative and educational, no, he's very informative Yeah, very informative and highly educational. It's time for Jesse's very informative and incredibly Why? It's time for Jesse's very informative and incredibly educational cooking show.
Wow,
Yeah.
So informative.
Okay.
Move over Gordon Ramsay.
That took so many takes. All right, tonight we're making that world's greatest grilled cheese. Probably start with the bread. I brought extra in case I mess up. Pepper jack for me, nice and spicy. There's some kind of bird or something out there making some wild noise right now, and I'm not super into it. We'll go 3 slices of cheese for me. Nice cheddar, the square variety. So that would be a great grilled cheese in the first place, but we gotta elevate it because this has got to be the world's greatest. So we have bacon. Oh, 1, 2 bacon, 3 bacon, 4 bacon, 5 bacon, and then double cheese on top. That's gonna be good. Okay. 1 bacon, 2 bacon, 3 bacon, 4 bacon, 5 bacon. Bam, cheese on top. All right, I gotta put butter on these, but I forgot my utensils. So I'm gonna use a stick. Don't tell on me. This butter's so hard. Wow, there's so much stick in the butter now. It's maybe not my greatest idea. New plan, butter's gonna go in the pan when we make these. Let's go cook them.
The river is so loud, so that's why I'm doing this super neat voiceover for you. The grilled cheese was amazing. It was super, super good. The cheese with the bread and the bacon and all the things that were in it pretty much just made it amazing. I also made this awesome dipping sauce for it with mayo and sriracha. Delicious. Super, super tasty. Oh, the piece of bacon's trying to get away. Not today. Not today. Not on my watch. Very good. Very tasty. I would say, in my opinion, best grilled cheese in the world, honestly. And the thing that really seals the deal is Michelle loved it too, so check it off the list. That is the world's greatest grilled cheese. Happened to also have some dessert. Had a nice cookie thanks to Michelle's sister. Thank you.
Very successful day, I'd say. Check 2 things off the list. Really awesome spot. Just got to survive the night. And then maybe one more secret thing to check off the list tomorrow, but we'll talk about that then. I am going to go to sleep. Good night.
Good morning. Survived the night. It's pretty warm. That's number 3 checked off the list. One more thing to do today. We'll talk about that in a little bit. This view is crazy. You gotta see, just look at what I woke up to. This is the first thing I saw this morning. Amazing. So lucky to be here. Hello!
We both know the river is loud, obviously. I wanted to know how loud. I measured it, and it's 90 decibels. That's like the same as a lawnmower. So anyway, just a fun fact, I guess.
All right, we have one more thing to do on the objective list, but I think I'm gonna wait and just let you see when we get there. It should be super, super cool, and I'm actually kind of scared, but it should be amazing. So, let's go.
There, now this is an ASMR.
We're at the Mountain Wisconsin Fire Lookout Tower. That is the last objective for this trip. It is 100 feet tall with 100 steps. I think. That's what I looked up anyway. And I'm terrified of heights. So let's go. Made it. This is actually terrifying. This is so high. It's like unbelievably high. The stairs are so steep. That's the word. We're up here. We made it. Check it off the list.
The view is insane. That's where we were. Oh my gosh, this thing's shaking. Wow. Normal height windows for normal people, and a little face hole for the vertically challenged. That's what we have to go down. Good luck to us, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, this is terrible. It's backwards for sure.
Backward is a better way. The stair part is so crazy because you're like so exposed. There's just these giant holes in these beams for you to fall through if you just feel like it. So that's cool. Oh, I also definitely spit off the tower and it was amazing. As you get lower, it's like almost worse because if I just flip over this railing, woo, I just fall all the way down through that. That's horrible. Don't fall, everybody.
We did it. We made it. Conquered the fire tower, which was actually super scary, but really solid. Really solid. The stairs were actually the scariest part because they're so steep and so narrow. And then the side railings like come to here. So, but anyway, conquered my fear, conquered the fire tower. That's it for this one. It was a great trip. Awesome camping spot. Fire tower, super cool. Thanks for coming along. We'll see you in the next one.